Breaking news. How Nigerian Attorney General Malami helped Dïsgräčefully chairman, wife, 11 other suspects escape prosecution. How Nigerian Attorney General Malami helped Dïsgräčefully chairman, wife, 11 other suspects escape prosecution. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. The suspects were due to be arraigned before Justice Oba on Tuesday at Akpol on November 8, 2022. In an attempt to shoot the chairman of Dräggēd Group, Leonard Stanley Eke, and other top officials involved in the alleged 170.3 million naira contract fraud case, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, has opted to exercise his discretionary powers under the Constitution to favor the suspect against the complainant. Sahara reporters on October 2, 2022 reported how a senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, filed a charge of 17 counts at the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Maitama, against 13 persons suspected to have played different roles in the alleged 170.3 million fraud perpetrated against Benjamin Joseph, the managing director of an Ibadan-based ICT retail firm, Citadel Oracle Concepts Limited. The suspects were due to be arraigned before Justice Oba on Tuesday at Akpol on November 8, 2022. In the charge sheet with suit number FCT HCCR 469 2022, Falana accused the suspect of conspiracy to hijack a contract for the supply of laptops awarded to Joseph's company in 2012 by the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS). But in a suspicious move by Malami, under the guise of exercising his power, nolle prosequi, to intervene and terminate any case at any time, withdrew the authorization earlier granted to Falana to prosecute the suspect. For instance, a letter signed by the Director of Public Prosecution, MB Abubakar, dated October 28, 2022, and titled Withdrawal of Authorization under Section 174 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, was addressed to Falana. The letter, obtained by Sahara reporters, read, I am directed to write in reference to the above caption and to inform you that the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, in exercise of the power conferred upon him by Section 174(1) C of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, has withdrawn the authorization earlier granted to you, dated 10th May 2022, to prosecute the case mentioned below as the expenses of the nominal complainant, Mr. Joseph Benjamin FRN versus Chris Eze Ozim, and ORS charge number CR 8327-2013. You are accordingly requested to withdraw charge number FCT HC CR 469-2022. Malami's intervention in the case a few days before the arraignment by quashing that fiat he granted Falana to prosecute the suspect provided a safe passage for Xenox top officials to evade justice. In October 2013, Joseph, who is the managing director of Citadel Oracle Concept Limited, petitioned the Inspector General of Police, IGP, over a fraud he suspected was committed against his company by some top officials of Xenox Group and its affiliate Technology Distributions Limited, in connivance with some allies. Joseph said the fraud involved a 170.3 million naira contract awarded to his company by the FIRS for the supply of laptops in 2012. He said the contract was hijacked by the suspect, who illegally executed it, and that its proceeds were shared without his knowledge and consent, while the appropriate tax was not remitted to the government. Now, to my dear listeners, we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view